Discovery Quest number 4. 20 Q's Artificial Intelligence. Take 20 or 25 if you must. Kids like us love to try and outsmart the 20 Q. Yet, once you get into this handheld electronic game 20 Q, you might start talking to the dreaded machine, which can seemingly read your mind. Trick for 20 questions. 20Q uses artificial intelligence, or let's call it AI for short, to predict what's on tap. For example, if you're thinking of an eraser, 20Q uses 20, or as a last resort, 25 questions to make an educated guess. Or is it simply a wild or wicked guess? Manufactured by Radica, the device asks yes or no questions to deduce what thing is in your subconscious. If your friends are disbelieving, just jot the answer down. The possible answers are yes, no, sometimes, and even unknown. Most of the questions are predictable. Is it dangerous? Would you use it on a daily basis? Is it man-made? Others just seem downright nonsensical. Is it heavier than a pound of butter? Is it larger than a microwave oven? Do you know any songs about it? And my favorite, is it heavier than a duck? 20Q also boasts some smack talk as well, trying to you that it will come up with the correct answer. But just how smart are the mind-reading talents of 20Q? Well, Radica claims approximately 85% accuracy for 20 questions asked and answered correctly, going up to 95% accuracy for 25 questions. How does 20Q work? The game, which can be also played on the computer via the internet, uses the technology of AI, which allows it to think like humans. AI basically answers questions based upon a storehouse of information, as well as mistakes it has made in the past. In other words, it accumulates information as it goes. Don't think of a calculator, which provides a single answer based on the inputted formula. Instead, AI gains more knowledge and vocabulary from experience, trial, and error. 20Q players have to take care in not trying to deceive or mislead the computer. For example, suppose the player thinks of a shark, but answers that a shark is a mammal, not a fish. The computer program will, nevertheless, come up with the right answer due to its humongous database and intuition of sorts. AI also has other applications for our daily lives. For example, search engines such as Google and Yahoo use AI to predict answers for internet-based searches. eBay and Amazon might also use AI to suggest additional products in which we might be interested in. You've seen those messages. You might also like these products. Facebook is a bit trickier, using the tagline "sponsored" in their advertisements. And how about calling any Hong Kong governmental department or Apple customer service or directory information to find out the number at Dan Ryan's at Pacific Place? Those dreaded computer-programmed switchboards are all based upon AI. And don't forget, the latest technology, Siri, is the latest iPhone 4S. How many times have you tried to confound or harass your friend Siri? Yep, not cool, but certainly fun. Thanks, everybody.